team coverage of this week's deadly flooding continues.
Our Tyler Melito spent the day in Breathitt County, where residents are trying to move forward but don't know where to begin.
Marvin and Amani, throughout the course of the day today here in Jackson, the water has subsided a little bit, allowing folks the opportunity to truly assess the damage done.
March last year, I can't remember exactly how many feet it was, but it didn't fill up our entire basement, and this time it got over 18 inches in our upstairs.
One common thing people like Tiffany Tabor have heard from their neighbors is that this flood was significantly worse than the one in March of last year.
It's definitely very emotional losing all of your stuff, but I also feel like we're very fortunate because all we lost was stuff. When there's people who have lost their lives or their pets, or like their entire homes and livelihood, and they can't get that back.
Tabor acknowledges that although the situation is bad for her and her family, there are others who have it much worse.
No, it's hard to prioritize what we need to fix here and how we can help others, like where to put all of our resources.
But Tabor says after last year's storm, she expects the community to rally together once again.
Oh yeah, last year, honestly, it was horrible of the devastation that happened, but it was a blessing to see how this entire community is so close-knit and how they come together to help each other out. Those who weren't affected by the flood and those who were all together came together.
And the motivator to get back to normal is a simple one.
Well, I think the biggest driving factor is that we don't really have a choice. Our entire heart is with this community, so it's not like we'll just pack up and go somewhere else. So if we want to stay here and if we want to help people here, then we have to fix what's been broken.
In Jackson, Tyler Melito, Fox 56 News.